So this question says the graph of 9x minus 10y equals 19 is translated down 4 units in the xy plane. What is the x-coordinate of the x-intercept of the resulting graph? So definitely talking about a linear equation here. There's no exponents contained in our equation. So first of all, I don't like to deal with linear equations that are not in slope-intercept form. I have not seen on this test where it wasn't valuable to me to make sure that it's in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to start off by converting this into slope-intercept form. To do that, I'm going to get my y value alone. So I have negative 10y equals negative 9x plus 19. I can then divide everything by negative 10, and my equation would therefore be y equals 9/10 x minus 19/10. Now this equation is going to be translated down 4 units. So the slope remains the same, right? So what will change about this will just be our y-intercept, so just this portion here. So I want to subtract 4 from that, which is the same as subtracting 40/10. Hopefully that makes sense. 40/10 and 4 is the exact same thing. So my new equation will be y equals 9/10 x. Again, when we translate a graph, the slope does not change. Hopefully that makes sense. And then minus 59/10. So that's my graph translated down those 4 units. So now I want to figure out, well, what is the x-intercept here? Well, we find the x-intercept by replacing y with 0. The x-intercept for any graph is the place where y is equal to 0. So I'm going to replace y with 0. So I have 0 equals 9/10 x minus 59/10. I can then add 59/10 to both sides of the equation. Cancels out on the right side. So now I have 59/10 equals 9/10 x. I can multiply both sides of this equation by 10/9 in order to isolate the x value. The 10s cancel, the 9s cancel. The 10s cancel on the left-hand side as well. I'm left with 59/9 is equal to x. So there is my x-coordinate of the x-intercept, and therefore my answer here is 59/9. I can also turn that into a decimal, which would be 9.83. Either of those will be correct.